Mucirithania munene Martha Koome na mbutu yake ya acirithania igoti ritugiru ni mahumuritwo ni igoti kwa ihinda nditi-ini ya kumahagura kuma ituro-ini ciao thutha wa mucirithania wa igoti inene Lawrence Mugambi kurugamia kwa ihinda kamiti ya utungata wa magoti JSC ndikambiriria guthikiriria mateta maria mamagumeire.
I will extend the interim orders. We will come back for further directions on the 28th of March 2025 at 10 a.m. in open court.
My Lord, why don't we hear it on the 28th of March? What further direction will come later?
My Lord, can I also be heard on the time frame you have given?
Highlighting of that application for empanelment.
My Lord, I don't think this is a very fair way of hearing this matter. We can't have these interlocutory applications that are benign and irrelevant.
Mucirithania Mugambi arugamitie mihango eno kuma tareki 12 ta uria rabangitwo nginyagia tareki 28 mweri uyu na une kurumirira cira uria handitwo ni mucirithania Njoki Ndung'u akienda kamiti ya JSC irugamio guthuthuria mateta maria mahanditwo ni andu atatu.
The petitioner is before you. How can the petitioner panel like this? He's a fraud,
Just a minute, Council. You see, what you are saying now is something you could, is something that you could easily submit on that day when you come. Then the court can consider, but we cannot ignore an application that is in the file. How do I ignore it?
My Lord, you are falling for the trick of the petitioners. You know very well that it is not possible to empanel because the Chief Justice is the petitioner. You know that very well.
Kwa ihinda acirithania othe mugwanja igoti ritugiru makoretwo making'ethanira na gikundi kia mawakili mari gatu gitongoretio ni uria wari president wa kiama kia mawakili LSK Nelson Havi aria marendekithia igoti riri riumbwo weru na kamiti ya JSC iria yagirirwo ni kwandikira mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto marua iguru ria mateta maria mahanditwo niguo na kiombe kamiti ya mwanya ya guthuthuria acirithania aya na manginyitikana na mahitia maria mucii takoi. Thutha wa munini wa muikarigiti wa JSC Isaac Ruto gwikira mukonde, JSC ni yamukirite mateta na nira mathuthuria mbere ya manengeranitwo kuri president. Koome aguthukire igoti ni akiuga ni mugaru na gatiba ya bururi guthikiriria mateta tamacio.
But my Lord, that this matters be concluded within the shortest time possible, knowing, as everybody knows, that you have stopped a constitutional process. That you have stopped, my Lord, a constitutional process. You have stopped a constitutional body that was engaging in a function.
Ndeto eno ni eguciriirie ikundi na atongoria matiganite riu mwena wa mung'ethaniro ukiuga thirikari iri na njama ya kumba weru igoti riri mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 niguo hande acirithania mangienderera president William Ruto kungikinya ni gugakorwo na cira wa kuregana na maumirira ma githurano kia president kuona Koome na arunake matingihokwo gwika uguo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.